All right, so I forgot to mention that I'm in a new boat today. I found this used old Town Predator PDL for dirt cheap. I mean, if I told you how cheap I got this, you wouldn't even believe me. Anyways, so now I got 2 pedal drive kayaks. They both use the PDL drive, so I'll be able to go out with my wife or one of my sons and have some company out on the water. Today's my first test run. I'm just using this to drop those crab pots off, and I'll probably stay a little later and fish the bridge for a while too, just see how this thing acts in the water. I just hooked a tarpon. Okay, we got him out front. Hopefully we can jump him once. We might be here a while. Yeah. No, on a snook jig. Oh, buddy. It's the second one I hooked on a snook jig in 2 weeks. White with the blue tail. There he is, look at him. Oh, baby. Look at that fish. Woo! I do it all the time. If you get a chance, check out my YouTube channel. I got tons of snook catches here.
What's your name?
Jake W. Yeah, it's Jake W Yak Angler, but if you just look up Jake W, it will pop up. Okay, if you want to take me that way, that's fine. That's fine with me. Holy cow, he just sucked air. That's gonna give him more life. Oh. I gotta stop high sticking. I'm gonna break my rod. There he is. Oh, baby. That was awesome. Oh, I gotta keep checking the reel seat. I don't want my reel to pop off with this guy. Like what happened with the rays. I've only got like 3 feet of 40-pound leader. 40-pound braid. This is a heavy inshore rod, only 7 foot. So yeah, he's kicking my butt. This is considered like ultralight gear for a tarpon, let alone out of a kayak. I'm gonna try to get some of my GoPro equipment out here, so I'm ready to change batteries if I need to. Come on. Look at him. Holy cow, that's a big fish. Come up here. Give up already. Look at him. Oh. You can pull me around. Got to use the kayak to my advantage, make him pull my weight around. Look at all that bait. That's crazy. That's what he's eating out here tonight. Oh my goodness, I am so tired. I've never been so tired in my life. Fighting a fish. I just want to touch the leader. Let me get that leader, come on. Doesn't help that my leader's only 3 feet. It's not going to be easy to touch a 3-foot leader with a 100+ pound tarpon on the line. I guess my line to leader knot is a solid knot, guys. I use a uni to uni. Put 12 twists on the braid, 6 twists on the mono. It's not the most low profile knot, but I'm fighting a 100-pound fish right now, and it hasn't broke. Oh. There he is. You just gotta gulp a bear again. Not what we want. Oh. You can't be tired yet. So tarpon, most fish, if you get their head above water, it finishes them off. Tarpon actually have the ability to gulp air, and it revives them. From what I understand, I'm not a tarpon guy, but I'm fairly certain I've heard that before, watching videos. Yeah, he is plenty alive right now. I'm just gonna let him pull me for a while. Let him do the work. Yeah, he's pulling, he's swimming. So he's getting tired, and I'm just chilling. I'm actually moving, yeah. He's pulling me along at about 2 miles an hour right now. We got the battery swapped out. Still have the fish on. I felt a pop and I thought he was off, but he's still there. Guys, this is crazy. I have never been so tired in my life. Oh boy. Fighting a fish this big, you got to make sure you keep your rod tip pointed forward so that he can't turtle you. Come You guys have an anchor down? Where is it? Oh, out there, okay. I'm good. Yeah, I got a tarpon. I'm gonna be here for like an hour probably. It's like 100 pounds. He's had enough of me. He's had enough of me. He's about to break me off. He's done playing. Maybe I stopped him. I think we stopped him. I cranked down the drag a little more because he was running towards those pilings. I think he realized where he was and got a second wind. First day in the Predator PDL. I guess we put it to the test, guys. You can't make this stuff up, man. First day in the Predator PDL and I hook a stinking 100-pound tarpon. Oh my goodness. I couldn't have scripted this better if I wanted to. The scar from my surgery feels like it's gonna rip open. In case you didn't, there, look at that fish. Oh my God, that's more than 100 pounds. Jeez. So in case you haven't been following me for a long time, I'm 4 months removed from having my abdomen cut open from just below my chest muscles all the way down to my groin. Oh no, he's taking me over to the bridge again. Shoot. Yeah, I'm just 4 months removed from that surgery. And it is hurting me right now. I didn't expect to be fighting a 100-pound fish. I mean, these snook jigs, they're designed to catch 40-inch snook, not 6-foot-long tarpon. So I wasn't expecting a fight like this. Okay, take me that way, yes. That's where you should go. Take me that way. You can pull me that way all day long. Okay, let's go over my gear. You guys are probably getting bored on talk about something. So this is a star rod, 7-foot, heavy inshore. What do they call this one? Stellar Light, it's called. Star Stellar Light, heavy inshore rod. It's designed for throwing like 2.5-ounce jigs. It's a great snook rod. I sure wish I had 8 or 9 feet right now. So I could get leverage on this fish. And I've got a 5,000 pen conflict to reel on. 20 pounds of drag. This would have been over in about 30 seconds with a paddle kayak, guys. I kid you not. You have absolutely no control over where you go when you hook a fish this size in a paddle kayak. They will pull you against the current upstream right into the structure before you can blink. With this kayak, I'm able to have a chance at landing this fish. It's got to have been about half an hour now, so he's probably about half done if we're lucky. Okay, so what's our goal, guys? At this point, the goal is to get him close enough that we can just break him off at the leader, or get our jig back would be ideal, but obviously we're not going to pick this fish up onto our kayak. It would probably flip me. Not to mention that you're not supposed to pick up fish this big. So all we want to do is get a good picture of him and try to get our jig back if we can. If I get this jig back, I'm going to retire it. Oh my God. Got another picture of him. That was nice. Oh, there's my leader. Okay, that's a caught fish. That's a caught fish. I only have a 3-foot leader. Normally tarpon guys have like 8 feet of leader. I saw my leader, so I had about 6 feet of line out. That's a caught fish. Oh. No, I'm good. Oh my goodness. Oh. There's the leader. Okay. Oh. Yes. Yes. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh baby. Guys, so I came out here because I heard that the governor was going to be shutting the state down next week. He's going to make a stay-at-home order, most likely, because several other states have already done it, so Florida eventually is going to have to follow suit. So I figured, let me shoot some video before it happens. I'll sit on that footage and I'll release it after the stay-at-home order when everybody's bored to death. I think I got a little footage. There's my leader again. If we had a real tarpon setup, we would have leadered him 3 times now. Taking us out under this light. I can get a good shot of him for you guys under the lights here. There he is. Oh. 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 That's a caught fish, guys. And now he's gonna kill us. Now he's gonna finish us. He's gonna get us around the pilot. Oh. Oh. All right, guys, so that's where the camera cut out. When I got home, I discovered that there was 45 minutes of camera footage, and I knew that the fight was an hour long to the minute, so I lost the last 15 minutes of footage. What happened after that is I was able to back him away from those pilings. He made one more run after that, and then I backed him away again, and then he was done. He just floated up to the surface, gave up. I had the rod in my left hand, and I grabbed the leader with my right hand, and then he shook really hard. I let go of the leader because I didn't want to get cut, and the rod snapped 2 feet from the end. The line did not break though, so I was able to reel him back in again, because as I said, he was done at that point. And this time I grabbed a hold of his jaw. They have a very big bony jaw. So I grabbed a hold of that jawbone, and then I took my pliers with my left hand and I was trying to get the jig free. He shook hard again, and this time it snapped the leader right at the lure. Thankfully he didn't have any leader hanging out of his mouth, just the lure. He swam off strong, slowly but strong. And usually they can shake that jig free because it's got some weight to it. But if not, the hook will actually rust out within a couple of days. So he's gonna be fine. It was a fight of a lifetime, an experience of a lifetime for me, and I'm so glad that you guys were able to share it with me. That couple who had been cheering me on, they actually pulled alongside, and she was taking some footage with her camera, and she said she was gonna email it to me. I got their names, and I thought I was recording, so I wasn't worried about remembering their names. Can't remember their names now, and obviously I wasn't recording that part. So if you guys are out there, I would love to get a hold of that footage. Feel free to email me at jwyakangler@gmail.com. That's an email I have exclusively for this channel. The stay-at-home order did end up going into effect, so I'm not going to be kayak fishing for the next few weeks. Now I realize that when I'm kayak fishing, I am not making contact with anybody else. I actually load my kayak here on 2.5 acres. I drive to remote locations and I fish, and I don't come in contact with anybody. So I wouldn't be endangering myself or others, but I don't want to send the wrong idea or set a bad example for anybody. So I'm going to stay at home, play it safe. That doesn't mean I won't be able to do any videos. Like I said, I live on 2.5 acres, so I'll go out in the backyard. I'll film some videos of the new kayak, maybe show how I'm going to rig it, what I have planned for it in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully we will see you in the not too far distant future.